I want to be a scenes of crime officer in the police. I used to always watch true crime documentaries with my family, like me and my dad used to watch them, and it just always sparks an interest.
I would like to work in the finance side of healthcare, hopefully in a bank in the city, maybe as a research analyst.
I love the environment. I love the teachers. They're just so easy to talk to.
I actually studied at sixth form for a whole year, and I don't think the style of learning and the course was for me. At college, there's options where you can pick your own route of study. It's just more self-guided, which I think prepares you better for university.
We have so much equipment that not many places have, and it just gives me so much more experience to go into the scene and actually collect the evidence and take pictures of it. Whereas in a lot of places you couldn't do that, you just have to learn it off of a board.
I've tailored my personal studies more to chemistry, and I do a lot of precision lab skills. People do microbiology, physics.
There's so much you can do with just this one course. It's not narrow at all.
It's more, you get a lot of practical work, you get self-guided study.
Honestly, it's just so fun and engaging. It's brilliant, and to do it here is so good because there's so much opportunity. I absolutely love it. It's the best decision I've ever made.